Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Your vehicle needs to be towed. Open the hatch. I'm going to go inside to the toolkit, underneath this cargo mat, underneath the cargo floor. I'm going to grab the tow hook that's in here. I'm also going to grab the jack handle that's just clipped to the foam on the side. Pull this all out. And I'm also going to grab, there is a screwdriver in here. It has both a flathead and a Phillips. So if you don't see the flathead, or if you don't see the Phillips, you just pull it out, flip it over, put it in. In the rear of the vehicle, there's a little door here. We're going to use a rag to not scratch the paint. Flat bladed screwdriver part, go under here, pop it up. It's got a little hook that will stay in place. There's a threaded opening way in there. We'll thread this towing eye in there. Get it nice and tight. You can also use the, it starts to bottom out. You can also use the jack handle. You put it on here. And tighten it. Oops. Right there, it's nice and tight. Now your vehicle can be pulled up onto a flatbed using this hook. Have the vehicle towed from the front. Use that flat-bladed screwdriver. Just carefully pry open this little door using the towel to not damage the paint. Then get your finger under there. Just pop it out. There's a little tether to hold it in place. Take the towing eye, go right into the opening. It'll thread in. You can use the jack handle to tighten it. You don't have to over tighten it, but you do want it fairly tight. Right there feels good. Now your vehicle can be pulled up onto the flatbed from the front.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.